When you are the crown prince of the country that control the world's second largest oil reserve, the sky is the limit when it comes to satisfying your luxurious cravings. The Saudi prince goes all out when he wants to splurge the things that suit his expensive taste. From places to private jets, he got it all. Let's take a dive to see some of the luxurious things owned by Salman Prince. Starting off with his jets, owning a jet is almost like a default for any billionaire, which is why it is not surprising that he has two to his name. The first is his Pegasus 8. The Pegasus was considered to be one of the largest in some years ago, and I am pretty sure that his goes the crown prince interested in it. At the time of its production, the jet was referred to as Princess Marina. This was way before the jet changed ownership to Mohammed bin Sulaiman, popularly known as MBS. The jet was built in 2002 for a Mexican billionaire Carlos Prela and was bought by MBS in the summer of 2014. The impeccable interior design was done the French design house Zurati. The interior was done by so perfectly that one can confidently call the jet home. For the exterior, the superjet has a length of 78.6 meters, a beam of 14.4 meters, a draft of 4.5 meters, and a volume of 2,479 gross tons. The jet has a steel and aluminum structure and it's powered by two Deutz engines. With these engines, the jet can achieve a top speed of 80 knots and a cruising speed of 60 knots. Now the best part of the jet, her amenities. She features many amenities that will definitely not let you miss your home. Among them are the spa, the large swimming pools for relaxation, a large cinema, a park deck with a dance floor, a barbecue, of course, its bars. It even has a children playroom. This is not quite all. It also has a piano, a beauty salon, lights, a beach club, a gym, a deck, a jacuzzi, Wi-Fi, and of course air conditioning. The superjet also has a helicopter landing pad which can be converted into golf diving range. The jet had is all. The vessels can comfortably house 12 guests in his 6 suites. Out of the 6 suites, the jet has 2 VIP cabins, 2 double cabins, and 2 master cabins, and 1 twin cabin. She is also capable for accommodation 26 crew members who would be attending the guests on board. The Pegasus 8 is also not short in terms of tenders and toys. As a guest, you can enjoy a custom 35-foot Onion 12-seater tender, a Sky Nature wave runners, jet skies, inflatables and toyables with all her amenities. It is not surprising that the Pegasus has a price tag of $120 million attached to it, and of course, an annual running cost that can go as a high $12 million. The rent of the jet for a week, you should be able to cough off $650,000. If you think this is expensive, you should see what his other jet costs. The Serene, with a length almost double that of the Pegasus 8, the Serene is said to cost a shop 500 million euros. The Serene was initially built for Russia vodka tycoon Yuri Skeffler for 330 million by Italian shipyard. Financially, and her interior was styled by British designer Raymond Langton. Designed with a length of 133.9 meters and a beam of 18.5 meters. She was one of the top 10 largest yachts in the world at the time of her delivery to the owner. To get this yacht on lease for a week, you will have to cough up $5 million. I mean, that was it cost American billionaire Bill Gates to have this for a week with his family on vacation in 2014. The Serene has the capacity to accommodate 24 guests in her 12 suites, which include 1 VIP. Other accommodation options are available and 1 master bedroom, 7 and 3 twins with so many guests. It is only right for the yacht to be able to accommodate 62 crew members to attend the needs of its guests. The amenities these yachts are enough to make anyone feel at home. It has a sun deck with a wet bar, a pizza oven, and a tapanki grill. It also has an indoor climbing wall, a dedicated children playroom, 2 helicopter landing pads, a fully equipped health spa, and a beach club. The jet would not be complete without multiple swimming pools, an underwater viewing room, of course, a full conference room. Well, there are more the yet it has other features which include a dance floor, wheelchair accessibility, sauna, beauty salon, elevator, satellite communication, gym deck, jacuzzi, Wi-Fi and also air conditioning. The yet Serene can be seen carrying a submarine and a helicopter tender. The submarine the yet carries is GSC Terrace VAS 525-60 submarine. It is an all-electrical submarine that can carry almost 5 people to a maximum depth of 160 meters for 8 hours. The submarine has a price tag of $2.5 million, while the Eurocopter EC-145 has a list price of $5.5 million. Now to the exterior. The exterior is just as good as the interior as built with a steel hull and an aluminium structure. Serene is powered 8 MTU diesel marine engine, which is enough for her comfortably cruise at 14 knots while having a maximum speed of 18 knots. The yacht is not regular yacht. It is an award-winning yacht. She won World Super Yacht Award in 2012. The yacht has also been said house another of Crown Prince.